Hello everyone, I am Neeta Bhanchandra Dhove, student from Design Training Consistency of Dhankodi. Today I will share video on non-technical topic is the noise pollution. Noise pollution is the biggest problems in our country. Noise pollution is the affected in our health and society. Noise pollution is affect the health and behavior of humans as well as animals. It damages the physiological health of both. Noise pollution is the in which the produced sound is become irritating when it exceeds the capacity of listening of anybody. It destroys the sound sleep. Person can have problem of sleeplessness due to this. And due to this, those people who are admitted to hospital suffering from serious brain related problem due to noise. Noise can pose a serious threat on animal. It can increase the chances of their death. It also causes hinderness in their communication. Now, houses which are close to airports face lots of noise. When airplanes are land and take off, hug sound is produced, and this can happen anything even during late night hours. These are the biggest problem in house which are close to the airports, railway station, bus stand, etc. In cities, the sound in cities the sound of buses, trucks, cars, and others vehicles starts producing sounds. Sound, especially during the traffic jams. It mentally and physically disturb the peoples on the road. During marriage in India, people play the DJ in hugs volume and celebrate on the music play. By the high volume of DJ can causes heart attack, any brain related problems, anyone having heart issues, etc. As India is a land of festivals, playing DJ has become common method to celebrate, especially in holy festival. Also, this create noise pollution on large scale. As India land many festivals playing DJ like Ganesh Utsav, Shiv Jayanti. These festivals are celebrate to create a noise pollution on large scale. The railway engine, while giving signal, produce high volume of sound. After crossing the corners, again contributing the noise pollution. Noise pollution has the capability to collapse building located in nearby several old buildings which are declared the dangerous collapse due to this. Noise pollution in which buildings are the collapse, then these are the most dangerous condition in cities in this condition in which human deaths is the biggest problem in the cities, and noise pollution is the most of problems in the cities. Most of problems in the cities because of population is the large, and large, and then the vehicles is large amounts, then produce the large sounds. These are the all information about the noise pollution. Thank you so much.